Howdy team, this is part 6 of converting your website into an Android app. Today we'll be creating the horizontal progress bar.
Alright, so now we're going to add a horizontal progress bar to our web view, like you'd expect to see in a normal Chrome client, Chrome browser, just so people get that sort of user feedback on what they're doing when they refresh the page. So it'll start with a layout XML piece. So if we head over to our activity main.xml, we're going to add we'll grab our code from our how-to guide, and just after the end of this swipe refresh layout, we're going to add progress bar. So you can see up here, now it's added it because we've set the progress to be at 20 just so we can see it. And it uses the color accent that we'd set earlier on in other guides and other parts of the colors. So if you want to adjust that, you can either set a color here or update your color strings. So that's it, it's there now. Now we just need to add the functionality. So if we head over to main-activity.java, we'll go back up to the top. So the first thing we're going to do is declare our new progress bar here. It shits itself. So when that happens, if you hit Alt-Enter, import class, it'll add, where is it? There. It'll import the progress bar for you. If Android Studio ever has a sort of red underline, if you hit Alt-Enter, it'll usually give you recommendations on how to fix it. So now if we scroll down a bit further, just after this semicolon, we're going to add in a few more bits for the progress bar, just sort of associating itself. We're going to be using a web Chrome client for this, so we're going to declare a new web Chrome client. We haven't created this yet, so that will go away in one moment. All right, so now if we head down to our web view client, we're going to make a few changes here. First of all, we're going to add something for on start, which will, so just under here, importing all these classes. All right, so that's on page started, set progress to 0 and have it be visible. And then we're going to add some stuff here for the on page finished. So obviously leave your swipe refresh layout, but this is on page finished. Visibility, get rid of it when progress hits 100. All right, so then after or outside of this web view client demo, we're going to create one for the web Chrome client. Pop that in and that'll set the progress for the progress bar. Again, Alt-Enter, and that'll import that for us. And that should be the lot. If you ever get stuck, on my copy-paste follow-along guide, you can just grab the whole page, and then you just have to update the your website URL and the package name. But okay, cool. So if we run this, we should be all good now. All right, booting up, hasn't crashed. Just click on something. There you go. So you saw it up the top there. I was running along. If I pull it down to refresh, disappears when it's done. Cool.